I wanted to make this video for people that are having trouble putting page numbers in Microsoft Word. Let me repeat that. I stuttered. Putting a page number in Microsoft Word. I'm on the home page, right? Okay. Now, to put in a page number, you got to go to Insert. Okay. So next one over, Insert. Click on Insert. Come over here to Page Number. And you see how it's called grayed out. Gray, like Gray or Grey. I should be able to click on that page number to number these pages. It's grayed out. In other words, I can't. And the problem is, and somebody helped me out with this, the problem is I have my layout under a web option. So what I want to do is go under View. I'm on the home page now. Come over to View. Click on View. Now you see over here how this little triangle's under Web Layout? I want to put that on Print Layout. I'm on Web. Let me just review this. Come over here to View from the home page. That'll take me over to Web Layout. Switch that to Print Layout. Now it changed my my screen. But then I'm going to come over here to Insert. There's Home. I'm on Home now. I just clicked Home. Insert. And then when I come over to Page Number, you see how that is, I'm able to hit that function and it does something. I can put it at the top of the page number at the bottom. But this was grayed out because I accidentally went over to I must have did this on accident. I changed it to Web Layout. It's easier to work with, but you got to change it back to print. Now I'm going to leave it on Web Layout, and then I'm going to go over here to Insert on my top icons. Insert. It's under Web. Insert Page, and it's grayed out again because I left the under View, I left it on Web Layout. So go to View and then change it back to Print Layout. And then go to Insert. And it should, that page icon should be highlighted. So I hope that helps somebody.